yung balita na all of my siblings are back home. Because of course they have to prioritize their jobs, and of course he understands because again we have to prioritize the country and the people and how they serve. So he was very understanding with it, and it went well. Ayun, madaming chikahan sa about family matters, and then to the point na sinabi niya na dami ng alam mong nakikinig dito. Ayun, tumawa lang ako. It was light. It was, magaan naman talaga siyang kausap. So it was light, but it was also very emotional because I'm only gonna be here for another 2 weeks before I go back and, continue with my education, with work, and with the other personal matters that I have to attend to. So he understood that also. And then I told him he told me kasi na it's okay if you are lonely, you just go home to your mama Hanilat and to Mira. But then I told him na, I don't worry about me, I'm okay, my home is wherever you are. So, ayun, he smiled, he was happy to hear that. But he also reminded me that I do have to prioritize my responsibilities also because I have a life as a 21-year-old. And I said, yes, of course, in 2 weeks I will be back home. And then the rotation of visits from the different family members will continue as usual. So, ayun, we are just hoping for good news.
So, in 2 weeks time when you leave, sino pong papalit?
We are not sure pa, attorney, kasi ayun nga. That's why I heard that he was, kaya medyo, kanina I mentioned that it was an emotional visit because the guard told me that he was waiting all day for us yesterday. And of course I felt really guilty. I mean, yes, it was an honest miscommunication and just the lack of organization with the arrangements namin sa DU, but he understood naman, and he said it's okay, this will not last forever and I am okay, do not worry about me. So ayun, there has been a lot of miscommunication lang lately, but ayun, naayos na namin ngayon. That's why I was able to visit. And kagaya, nakita nila kanina na late na naman ng konti. So well, I had to explain to him also that my classes was until almost 7 a.m. this morning. So I slept at 7 a.m., woke up at 12 p.m. and then I had to rush here. So
Good naman na inaalaw kayo na online.
for now, it's online talaga because of the situation in
The rain.
Philippines.
The rain and flood.
Saan na yung nila, bakit
Sabi niyo.
ganun yung,
Oh.
well, bahala na sila, I won't talk about it. But ayun, all I can say that is he's good, he's healthy and thankful and happy that, he has family who loves him. And ayun, sabi ko, see, you are so blessed with children and grandchildren like this. Kasi tingnan mo ngayon na matanda ka na ganito. Well, kasi it really does speak on his character as a father. Kaya kahit ang tanda niya na, kaming lahat, will drop anything and everything to be here with him. So, yeah, he was happy to hear that. So he's okay.
Health-wise,
Tatay
okay.
Digong is okay. I was worried, of course, but he looked okay. Hindi siya mukhang stressed. Parati siyang tulog, and ayun, kumakain naman as what I've heard from the prison guards.
So, namimiss niya masahe ni Kongkulo.
Yes, ayun nga, sabi ko, sorry ha, hindi ako naka-crash course, hindi ako ganun kagaling, pero sige lang, maybe before I leave, magmamasahe ako sa kanya. And so to make up for it, I just sang him a song before I left. And ayun, nakasmile na. So, ayun, that's all I can share because of course we want to abide by the rules and regulations by the EU para walang unwanted consequences.
Alam ba ni Tatay Digong na bawal na rin i-share yung mga...
I don't think so, but he did ask if there were still people here, and I said yes, everyone's waiting for you. It's been 5 months, but everyone's just waiting for you to come home.
Yes.
So, and there's this never-ending love and support from the people, to not just to you, but to all the members in the family. So yeah, he wants to extend his gratitude and how blessed he feels to have you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Langga.